Welcome back to Learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the HTML form handling in PHP section. This is Introduction. Presenting and interacting with HTML is one of the primary uses of PHP. Our servers take each PHP file, in our examples this is index.php, and translates them into HTML to present them to the client in their web browser. This process allows for developers to create customized experiences for individual users. PHP also provides the capability to handle input from users through HTML forms in a straightforward manner. Before we cover working with forms, take a minute to review how PHP code can be embedded into HTML. Here we have this HTML will get delivered as is. Here we have our opening and closing PHP tags, which will echo a paragraph. PHP interprets this and turns it into HTML. And then we have outside of our PHP tag, a regular paragraph, this HTML will get delivered as is. This example uses the PHP opening and closing tags to enter PHP code. It uses echo to add text to the HTML. This practice is so common that PHP provides a shorthand syntax. Instead of using opening PHP tag echo to begin the statement, you could simply use this. Our example becomes, we have the same example, we just change that opening PHP tag, and this will work the same. Our instructions say we've included an example in index.php that uses a full PHP opening tag and echo to insert a statement into HTML. Convert this to use the shorthand syntax. Let's do that now. Run that, and we do pass. So what we're learning here in the introduction is basically just a shorthand way of inserting our PHP into HTML. We've been taught to use the opening and closing PHP tags, but since doing opening PHP tag echo is such a common occurrence, they created a shorthand way of doing it where you can get rid of the PHP and echo and just add an equal sign, and it means the same thing. As long as you guys are understanding that, you guys are getting this introduction, and I'll see you in the next lesson.
Hey, quick question for you. Are you happy with your current job or career? Do you like to go to work every day and see yourself doing what you're doing right now forever? If not, I'd like to share with you a little bit about the sponsor of this video, the Programmer Coach. The Programmer Coach is an online coding program that helps people learn how to code and get a high-paying job as a software developer. Their program is unique in that they teach you how to code by doing, through practice, which is truly the only way to learn any skill at the end of the day, right? Plus, they provide you with coaches to help you whenever you run into any issues. They also have career coaching and placement services, where they work with you and help you get your first job as a software developer. And the best part, their program is affordable and accessible for anyone and everyone. That's right, you won't pay the bulk of your tuition until you actually land a job as a software developer. To learn all of the details you would ever need and get all of your questions answered, simply go to becomeaprogrammer.com. Becomeaprogrammer.com. Once again, that's becomeaprogrammer.com.